there, Odoo users. Today we're going to be going over a great application that we have available for you listed on the Odoo App Store. This app that we're taking a look at today is called Archive Expired User. And we're looking at it in version 17 of Odoo, but we also have it available for older versions of Odoo as well. So the main purpose of this module is that it adds a field on each individual user called Access Expiration Date. On this field, you're able to select a date in which this user should automatically be archived. This represents the expiration date of that particular user. So a nice example that I think this really comes in handy is if you have a long list of users in your particular system, and you know for a fact that their access will be cut off at a certain date. So in advance, you'll be able to set that particular date, and then it'll automatically archive that user for you. So let's take a look at that in action. We're going to go to our list of users, and we'll use Mark Demo. And the expiration date we will have set to the 17th, just to ensure that the scheduled action will make sure that it is archived. So now that that is saved, we will now use the scheduled action um, to archive this user. And so I will just reference that particular scheduled action from the app description. And so the name of that scheduled action is user archive expired user. So we'll go ahead and search for that scheduled action. Now in your environment, you'll have this scheduled action set to automatically running. But in my case, I will manually run this scheduled action. So we will go to technical. Where is it? Let me just type it in. Oh, got to make sure debug mode is on. Okay. We'll search for archive, and we can see here the scheduled action that relates to this. We will go ahead and run it manually. And just like that, we will go ahead and check our user list. And we can see now that we only have one active user, being Mitchell Admin, which is the current user that I am logged in as. And if we go to inactive users, we can see here that Mark Demo is now archived. And so that's basically it. So the normal process of removing a user is exactly this, archiving them. And this just adds that automated process to help you with a large list of users, or really just better plan in advance if you already know that a user will be expired at a later date. So thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, we'd be more than happy to answer them. Thanks a lot.